Hi, this is Mark Carter here. I'm the new YouTuber. I was nervous on my first day of YouTubing. Today I gotta show you my drawings, but first I gotta show you what the weather is like here. Yeah, it's really stormy here. The storm's started to come back here right now. If you want to see my videos or like them on YouTube, like, comment, or question my videos of what you like. And this is what the storm looks like in between these trees. I'll show you. That's what the storm is here right now. It's started to come back this afternoon. I am feeling a little bit sluggish today. Next few days I'm making more videos and making more drawings. If you want some of my drawings, they're $200 each. Send me your address and I can send them for you. Alright, this is Mark Carter. See you on the next video.